Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Old San Juan by Phil Perry. This song is going to be in the key of B flat. Okay, so there's really four distinct sections of the song, and I just kind of keep looping it around. You're going to start off with the intro. So you got this little, like, bossa nova kind of groove here. You're playing a B major 9 to a G minor 7 to an A major 9 to an F9 sus 4, which is an E flat chord on top of F. Play any inversions, so that B major 9 to G minor 7 and then for the next section again it's going to be a B minor 9 to an E9 sharp 11 to an E flat minor 9 to an A flat 9. Next section, when he's singing Old San Juan. And then back to the beginning. So for that section, it's going to be a D7 sharp 9 5, sharp 9 sharp 5, and then you're going to go to an E diminished over G, and there's this run here to an A flat 9 13. So again on that run, okay, then it's going to be a D minor 7 to G minor. Then it's an F sharp major 7 flat 5. Then G9 sus to a G. We're going to walk up. Da, da, da. It's going to be a G. You can think F over A to G over B to C minor 7 to B flat over D to E flat to F9 sus 4, and then from the beginning, same little section. And then the final section is going to be in the little instrumental. They're going to be playing an A flat 13 sus. So it's like an F major 7 on top of A flat. Then they're going to go to an F 13 sus, which is like a G minor 7 on top of an F7. Then and then and that was the saxophone doing that. And that was a run through of Old San Juan. Thank you so much for the donation, and I will be back with more tutorials very soon. Take care.